In this video, we're going to talk about how to make $100,000 a year trading Forex. You could be completely new to this or you might be experienced. So let's break it down. You're going to like this one. So disclaimer, I need to put this out there. I really do, because lately everyone's been going crazy and they think that you're just going to get rich in one day, 1 week, 1 month. It takes time. Trading involves risk, right? This is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Past performance, my past performance, does not guarantee future results. Every single day, every single week, every single month, the market is not the same. So if you come to me and you ask me what's my ROI, for those that don't know what that means, return of investment, I can't tell you that. There's days I come into the market and I might only make $100. I might make $1,000. I might make $10,000. I might make $5,000. I might make $2,000. It depends on the market. You need to learn this skill. You apply this skill to the market, and the rest is history. So at the end of the day, you need to trade responsible and only with funds you can afford to lose. So achieving consistent profitability requires setting realistic goals and maintaining discipline. See, day trading is not hard. And day trading is all about being disciplined. Being disciplined. So let's dive in. Strategies, discipline, and mindset for success. Let's break this down. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the entire world, with daily trading volume exceeding 6 trillion. Now, I have personally done it all. I've done stocks, crypto, options, futures. This is by far the easiest. Easy to get in the trade, easy to get out of the trade, easy to make money. I love Forex. I will do it until the day I die. So if it ever gets to the point where I completely stop making YouTube videos, stop being active on Twitter, stop being active on Instagram, guess what? I'm still going to be fucking trading Forex and making money every fucking day for the rest of my life, because this is a skill that I have learned, I have conquered, I've dominated. It is my strategy that I've created, twisted, adjusted, and as the market changes, I tweak it a little bit, and then the market changes again, I tweak it a little bit. So I'll be able to do this the rest of my life and make money until the day I die. Achieving consistent profitability requires setting realistic goals and maintain discipline. Setting a realistic goal, is making $100,000 a year realistic? Absolutely. Is making $1 million in a week realistic? No, it's not. Will you get there? Yes, but it takes time, right? You have to become a better trader at this. And again, that will take time. Success in Forex is built on 3 pillars. I'm going to break down these 3 pillars for you guys right now, okay? A solid trading strategy. If you don't have a solid trading strategy, you're doomed. Like you gotta have some sort of strategy, right? It's like me, obviously the 15-minute chart is the start of my strategy and my morning routine. Everything lines up, and you need to focus on, like I said, just developing or adapting a proven method. Backtesting, right? And the second one is risk management, right? Safeguard your capital by minimizing unnecessary risk. So with trading, it's all about risk management. If I get in a trade and the trade starts going in the direction I want it to go in and it starts retracing, well, I need to protect my account. I can't let a winning trade become a losing trade. So risk management is everything with trading. And psychological resilience, right? Handle the emotional ups and downs of trading with confidence. So with trading, people ask me all the time, you guys ready for this? People ask me all the time, like, how is it that, you handle your emotions? Like, because trading, it is all about emotions. And me, I am honestly so numb in life. Like, I am like a robot. So people can attack me. People can come at me every single day and attack me, whether it's from a parent standpoint, a family standpoint. They can insult people that have passed away, family, friends. It doesn't bother me. Like, I have no emotions with this. I had to become numb, and I had to basically break myself down to become numb with no emotions in order to succeed. That's why when you see these other traders doing good and succeeding, you have to look at their life. They really don't have much emotions going on. They knew that they needed to make trading work for them. So, build a proven Forex trading strategy. Obviously, I have my trading strategy that I built, and it's something that, I've taught a few people, but you need to come up with your own. whether you use somebody's and twist it or you just come up with your own. Focus on a few currency pairs, specialize in setups like US30 and NOS 100. These are two good ones I'm going to talk about, US30 and NOS 100, and shortly I'm going to bring the chart over and show you guys good setups and basically how to use a $1,000 account and grow that to basically reach $100,000 a year. So, obviously with US30 and NOS 100, you gain in-depth understanding of their behavior and for fast moves. So US30 NOS 100 is going to move fast every single morning. And by just watching it day in and day out, you start to study it and understand its behavior. Technical analysis tool. This one, learn and apply indicators. So I use indicators, moving averages to identify the trends, VWAP, support resistance to spot overbought or oversold conditions. And most importantly, you can also apply Fibonacci for retracements and identify potential reversal zones. Fundamental analysis. This is a good one, guys. This is something that people don't pay attention to. You need to stay updated for economic news and events that impact currency values. Interest rates, decisions, GDP reports, CPI. These are all things that every single week I come to the market and I know all the news for the entire week, each and every single day. And you can do that with Forex Factory. Again, these are all free resources out there. So you just need to understand, political developments and their effects on the Forex market. Backtesting, and forward testing, right? Test your strategy. Test a strategy using historical data to ensure its reliability. Practice in a demo count to refine execution in live conditions. This is something that people do not do. People just want to dive in and just risk real money to try and make real money, and they don't even know how the platform works. Again, all of this is free. You guys have it. You guys have this 10 times better than I did 10 years ago. Like literally, it is at the palm. It's in the palm of your fucking hands. You just have to tighten that bitch and just go full force with it. So protect your capital. This is a big one. Big one. Risk per trade. Limit your risk 1 to 2% of your account balance per trade to ensure long-term survival. This is what you want to do if you basically are starting off. Now, if you are more aggressive like me, then you can risk more. Okay, and I'll show you guys basically how I risk a trade, or how I would take a trade if I was only having $1,000 to trade with, right? Stop loss. Always set a stop loss level to cap potential losses. Avoid moving your stop loss farther away as the trade progresses. This is something people do. Again, if you're in a trade and the trade is going in your direction, right? So if you buy and the trade is going up and up and up, you need to grab that stop loss and put it to break even. And then the trade goes higher up, then you need to take that stop loss and put it to take profit 1 or something above that. So then your stop loss becomes a stop loss profit. You see what I'm saying? So that is how you can basically have a 90% win rate. Even if you get out for break even, or even if you get out for say $100, well, you're still doing better than 90% of the people. So lot sizing, calculate lot sizes based on account size and risk tolerance, right? So, we're going to talk about this about compounding, right? Using position size calculators or trading platforms to ensure accurate sizing. So TradeLocker, the platform that I use, will actually tell you how big of a position size you could take per your account. I'm going to show you guys that here in a little bit. So scale up your lot size and compound. Compound. What does compound mean, right? Say you take 0.05 lots of NOS 100 and say you make $500. Well, then now you take 0.06, 0.07, 0.08, and you're using the previous profit, slicing that in half, and now that's basically what you're risking. So if I made $500, I'm gonna risk $250 to try and make another $500 to $750. Now say if I make $1,000, I'm gonna risk $500 to make at least $1,000 to $2,000, and then you're slowly compounding that account. Avoid over leveraging. Now, while leverage amplifies potential gains, right? I like to be very aggressive with the leverage. It can also increase risk. So stick to leverage ratios that you can manage, such as 10 to 1 or 50 to 1. Even though those are really small, I did start off with using 50 to 1 at first before going to 500 to 1. 500 to 1, again, if you guys want to go balls to the wall, 500 to 1, $1,000 account, and then you're just maxing out your size. But you have to be dead nuts wiener stiff, wiener stiff with your entries, because if it goes against you, that could be it, right? And you have to be very strict and disciplined. So diversify risk, right? So don't put all your capital into a single trade. You can watch Forex pairs and maybe, trade like 1 to 2 lots with Forex pairs and then, let your winners run. So that's not a bad way to go either. But most importantly, guys, don't talk about staying consistent and disciplined, right? Accept losses as part of trading, right? No strategy is 100%. Nothing is 100% in life. Not even your job, not even your 9 to 5 job. You can get in your car tomorrow, drive to your job, get to your job, think everything's going good, and then your boss pulls you in the office and says, hey, things have been great, but we're going to have to let you go. And they're like, well, there goes that 100% paycheck. So just understand that everything in life is risk. It doesn't matter if it's like a casino, your 9 to 5 job, your own business, sports betting, everything has risk. You just have to get good at it, right? And just accept that losses are part of the game, but they're manageable. So, follow your trading plan, define clear entry and exit and risk management rules, avoid changing your plan due to emotions. Emotional control, right? Do not chase losses or enter trades driven by greed or fear. Again, greed and fear. These are the biggest. Greed, fear. You need to basically overcome that. And if you really want to be successful in trading, you need to basically become numb, have no emotions, and, let family, friends, random people on social media just talk their shit, and you just have to stay focused. I'm just focused 24/7. I eat, breathe, and sleep this. Take breaks to maintain focus and reduce stress during tough trading days or trading time. So there are times I'll start to get I'll start to get gassed out with things, and then I just kind of detox, take a little, couple days off, vacation, whatever, relax. So trading journal, document every trade, including, rational outcomes and lessons learned. Review your journal weekly to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Continuous learning, attend webinars, read books, and follow reputable traders to stay informed, adapting to changing market conditions and refine your strategy. By the way, I have a 100% free Discord community, which you're looking at right now. This is free. I don't charge for it. You just click the link below this YouTube video, and it'll take you right into the Discord. And there's people in there asking questions, learning, earning, making money day in and day out. Again, that's 100% free for you guys. So from 0 to 100, can this be done? Can you do it? Absolutely. If you got absolutely no money to start trading with, find some shit around your house, start selling it, go to the pawn shop, get money saved up. You could start small, think big. Begin with a manageable account. If you could pull 1,000 to 5,000, go for it. If you don't have that, well, then there's other things out there you could do, like get a funded account, right? Set achievable targets. Aim for 1 to 3% weekly returns, which compound significantly over time. Reinvest profits, right? Gradually increase your position size as your account grows, maintaining the same risk percentage. Again, explore funded accounts. There's nothing wrong with funded accounts. In fact, I'm going to start trading funded accounts just to show you guys that they are a fantastic way to go. So participate in prop firm challenges to access larger capital. Use profits from funded accounts to boost your personal trading capital. So there's funded accounts that you could buy through Funder Pro, which is a fantastic. I'll put the link below this YouTube video as well, Funder Pro. You can go there, buy a live account for $300 to $500. And start trading with somebody else's money, and then still hit $100,000 a year in withdrawal profit. This is gonna be a good one. This is actually me telling you guys this. Create additional revenue streams. Share insights through mentorships or paid signals. Yes, if you get good at something, start teaching it to others. Sell your own signals. Make money. See, we live in a fucked up world. We live in a fucked up world where everyone thinks that everything should be free. People will say, oh, well, if you're good at something or you got to make so much money for it, why do you charge? That's just ignorance. Like, why is it that Jeff Bezos, the number one person in the world, why is it that they charge for Amazon Prime? It is what it is. Either you fucking pay it or you don't. Why is that guy going to a grocery store and pay for water when there's a pond out back? Well, then don't buy the water bottle. Go to the pond and drink the water right out of there and get fucking the shits. I don't know what to tell people. Leverage social media, right? Or blogging to build a trading related audience. So with my Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, at the end of the day, this is my own trading journal. I do this for myself. If people want to jump on board, jump on my boat, cruise with me, that's their fucking choice. I'm not telling people to sign up. It's there. I got a free Discord. I could make thousands and thousands for the Discord. It's 100% free. But at the end of the day, don't get it twisted. This is my own trading journal and experience, and I'm just happy to help people along the way. Regular review and adjustments, right? Monitor progress against goals and adjust strategies as needed. Stay flexible to adapt to market trends and opportunities. Your path to $100,000, right? Forex trading is a journey that requires persistence and being able to adapt. Focus on mastering one step at a time to build a strong foundation. Remember, guys, small, consistent efforts lead to big, long-term results. Trade well, and profits will always follow. Now, I want to pull over here my trading platform. In this account, I have exactly $1,000 in here. Now, I want to show you something here. Today, we traded NAS 100. Market every single morning. Remember, we talked about earlier in this video about US 30 NAS 100. Let's just say you have a $1,000 account. $1,000 account. And let's say market opens at 9:30. 9:30, right where my cursor is. You can see at the very bottom, it says January 16th, 2025, 9:30. That's when the market opens. We knew we were looking to sell at 21,338. Why were we looking to sell at this area? Okay, multiple things, right? Multiple things, right? This was pushing up, right? It was pushing up, and yesterday, the previous day, we had big news, right? Big news. This candle went all the way up. It was grinding. So today I was basically looking for the market to basically start selling off because we were basically declining down here, right? Pushed up, came down, pushed up, came down, started pushing up again. So at the market open, I was looking for this thing to sell off. Now, the signal alert was 21,338. Again, let's say you only have a $1,000 account. I'm gonna pop this window up right here, put a pending order. So you put 1,000, put your order right there at the signal we were looking to sell at, right? And let's say you decide to take 0.05 lots. 0.05 lots is basically $527 position. Now let's say your area of take profit was down at this, say roughly 100 points. Say you're looking to basically capture 100 points on this. Your profit would have been roughly $500, $496. Do some simple math. Let's say you come every single day and take 0.05 lots, and let's say you just try and aim for $500 a day by taking 0.05 lots. That's 20. Let's say you do good all 5 fucking days of the week. That's $2,500. $2,500, 4 weeks a month, assuming you're green every day. $10,000. That's over $100,000 a year. Say you trade 50-50. Let's say you win half the time, but then you lose half the time, right? Or say not even that percentage, right? Say you're 75-25. You're still going to be making at least $50,000, $60,000 a year. So there's a lot of money to be made there, day in and day out with US 30. NAS 100. Even if you have a small account, you're able to take good position size, let your winners run, take profit, and don't go broke. Well, that's it for this YouTube video. I told you guys we were going to have a good one here. Hopefully this helps you, educates you, motivates you. Remember, if you guys are interested in being part of the free Discord community, the link is below. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below. That's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Cheers.